Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of your favorite product showdown channel. Today, we're taking to the skies with two budget-friendly drones that promise to make you the coolest pilot in your neighborhood. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone, and on the right, the DEERC Drone D70. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the all-important price tag. Holy Stone comes in at $99. Not bad, but it's like buying a decent dinner for two. On the other hand, the DEERC Drone is just $79. That's practically the cost of a fancy coffee maker. So if you're looking to save some bucks, DEERC might already have you hooked. Reviewers appreciate the value for money that both drones offer, but DEERC edges out Holy Stone in terms of affordability. Next up, let's talk cameras. Holy Stone boasts a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. That's a lot of letters and numbers that basically mean you get some pretty sweet, distortion-free shots. DEERC also comes with a 1080p HD camera. But here's the kicker. DEERC is so confident in its camera quality, they're practically daring you to share your photos with the world. Reviewers note that while both drones offer decent camera quality for the price, the Holy Stone's camera is slightly better in terms of clarity and field of view. Now for the fun part, flight features. Holy Stone has altitude hold, headless mode, and 3D flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You can even control it with your voice and gestures. Just don't try to make it fetch your slippers. DEERC, not to be outdone, offers one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It also has some quirky features like tap fly, voice control, and gesture selfie. And get this, you can even throw it to make it go. Just don't throw it at your neighbor. Reviewers love the variety of features in both drones, but Holy Stone's voice and gesture controls are particularly highlighted for their ease of use. Moving on to battery life, Holy Stone comes with two modular batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. That's like 2 episodes of your favorite sitcom. DEERC doesn't specify its flight time, but given its price, it's probably somewhere in the same ballpark. Reviewers have mentioned that Holy Stone's battery life is reliable, while DEERC's battery life is decent, but not as well documented. Finally, let's talk about portability. Holy Stone is your standard drone size, but DEERC? When folded, it's the size of your palm. You can literally carry it in your pocket. Reviewers appreciate the compact size of the DEERC drone, making it extremely portable and easy to carry around. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. Holy Stone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and quality customer service, despite some initial battery issues. DEERC is commended for its compact size, ease of use, and fun features, although some users have noted issues with the camera quality and Wi-Fi range. Overall, both drones are considered great options for beginners and offer good value for money. So, there you have it. Both the Holy Stone and DEERC drones bring a lot to the table, or should I say, the sky. Whether you're a newbie looking for easy controls or a social media maven wanting to capture epic shots, these drones have something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and shopping smart. And remember, no matter which drone you choose, always fly responsibly. Don't be the person who lands a drone in someone's soup.